Parrotfish often live and feed in groups, highlighting the value of community and cooperative effort. The communal life of parrotfish reminds us of the strength and benefits found in working together and supporting one another in community. By feeding on algae, parrotfish contribute to the nourishment and balance of their ecosystem, symbolizing how we are nourished spiritually and called to contribute to the spiritual health of our communities. The way parrotfish nourish their ecosystem reflects how we are spiritually nourished by Christ and are called to nourish others in our faith communities.